Okay, how is my voice now? I think it should be, but I changed the mic to the fine one, the good one. Okay. So guys, in between, if you feel I'm lost or something, just give me a call on my mobile. I will have a look at it. Okay. Okay, we'll start then. Okay. Hi guys. So good morning again. So guys, today what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to show you how to get your clients, how to get your customers, how you can make at least 50, 60,000 per month. Okay. And then we're going to develop a website and then we're going to deploy it. Okay. Because a lot of people have been developing for themselves. When you do it, it will take time for you to get some money, right? I want you guys to start making money. So that is the intention of this. Let me show you. It is not like very unique trick, but a lot of people they don't know about it. Okay. So there are two things, guys. Now, when you go to any particular company and tell them, "Sir, I will do it for you," they will not trust you. Okay. But if you tell them that I've done this for you, probably they will listen to you. Yes or no? How many of you agree to me? Right? So they're fed about people who give like too many promises but end up not doing anything. Okay. So we have tried this method. We have tried this for college students, and there are students who are earning like at least 1-2 lakh as a team. So I want to share that to you as well. So today, what we want to do is we're going to develop a website. I'm going to share you where you can market and how to pitch it, and then we're going to develop the website, and then I'm also going to show you how to deploy. Yeah, are you guys ready? Okay, so let's start. So guys, see, website designing is still in the market. Okay, it is one of the highest demand, and there is a lot of requirement for retail people. Who are these retail people? The people near you, like the gyms, like the marriage halls, the stores, or any shops, anything which is nearby you. Okay, so I want you to start making some money, and I'll tell you how to go about it. Okay. Now, for example, now I'll come to that. Only, don't worry. Okay, guys. So now let me share my screen. Okay. So, guys, now let's have a look at here. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to start up an website management company. I want to build websites for people. Okay. So, what will I do? Now, either I run ads on Facebook, get people. I want to see another easy way. First, I want that basic backup. Okay. So, what I do, I go to my um, browser, and then my first target is gyms. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in gyms near me. Okay. Now, look at this. In near my house, you can see how many gyms are there. Okay. So, one, two, three, four, five. So in this, I need to look at people who don't have website. Okay. This is the simple one. Okay. Easy one, which a lot of people they don't do because they are lazy. Okay. Now this is a gym which doesn't have a website. Power and Fitness doesn't have a website. Olympia Fitness, but look at the rating. It has 370. This guy has 94. This guy has 142. The ratings are very, very good. Okay. Guys, they don't have a website. Now, my target will be, so who shall I pick up? Let me know. Can you, you guys let me know. Who shall we have as our target? Okay. So we're going to target Power Lowest rating, is it? Okay. See, lowest rating. Yeah, that is another idea. So we will go with Power Fitness. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's go for Power Fitness. I'll click this. So let me go and have an overview. So the gym is good. Okay. I can see some good images. They have their subscription plans. So I'll also do, I'll save this image as well in my desktop. Okay. So let me copy image, and then what I'll do. Okay. Let me go to Chat GPT. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to build a website for this particular gym. Okay. So what I do, I go to Chat GPT, I paste the images, the plans. Okay. And then what I do, okay. So I click on this and I'm going to click on the share. I copy this link. Okay. So now what do I do? I come back. So what did I do? I came here. I clicked on share. Okay. I copied the link. Yeah. So now what I do? I go to Chat GPT. I first check whether it is able to fetch information from this link. So what do? I ask Chat GPT information about this gym. Okay, look at this. So it's got the details here. Yeah. Okay. So my target is power fitness. Yeah. So why power? Because I just randomly picked it. There is no any specific reasons for it. Okay. So that's one. Then so now what do? I'm gonna say I am going to create a website for this. And I am going to pitch it for them. So give me a website prompt so that I can build this using. So guys, last week when we tried now, we used Lovable, correct? So Lovable has increased, their capacity has doubled. They're much better now. Their tech stack also got increased. So before they were developing it for Node, React and stuff. Now the React are there, but it's all on the upgraded version. They use 10 stack. Okay, so it is more, little bit more high-ended now. And connecting to an ordinary hostinger is like challenging. So you have to directly connect to a Lovable Pro version and then buy the domain and you can do it. I'll also show you them. Okay. But right now, I have found alternatives to Lovable. So we have something like Bolt.ai and there is VO, which is Vercel, and there is like Cursor, Emergent, all those stuff. So in this week, I've been trying a lot of stuff. I have shortlisted 2 AI websites that can actually help to deploy it very, very easily. So one is Figma and the other one is Bolt. Okay. So I'm going to build using the Bolt. Yeah. So I'm going to type it as I'm building it using Bolt. I'll zoom this for you guys. So I'm going to hit enter. So let this create me a prompt. No, they don't have a website. I don't see it's tagged here. They have all subdomains. They have just dial Instagram profiles, but they don't have an website. Do you see this here? Yeah. Guys, I also use a Chrome extension that is GMB everywhere. That I don't know whether you guys are able to see it. Okay, let me share the entire screen for you guys. I think that will be very helpful for you. 1 minute. Okay. Are you able to see it now? I share the entire screen now. Okay. Guys, do you see here? You can add this. I will give you this Chrome extension as well. It's called as GMB everywhere. Okay, make a note of it or copy paste it. Okay, GMB everywhere. You can add this Chrome extension. It will give you some search engine optimization as well about that particular gyms. You see, I got some unique here. I can write reviews automatically. Okay, I can get customizes using AI reviews, post. I can get some more insights using that tool. Okay, so it can also reply to people's feedbacks and stuffs like that. So if you want, you can attach it to your Chrome extension. So now what I've done is I have created a prompt using this. Okay, so I got the prompt. Okay, I will also say add a subscription button. And one more thing, uh, ensure it's built for Node.js deployment in Hostinger. Okay. So now I copy this and then what I do, I go to something called as Bolt.ai. Are you watching this? Guys, Bolt.ai is similar to Lovable. Okay. The platform, everything is literally, it will look ditto. Okay. We also have Figma. Okay. You can build using Figma as well. Yeah. But I'm using Bolt.ai. Okay. So let me log, and it also has basic limits every day, but it has lesser limit than your what is that? Um, your Lovable. Okay, so this is the one. So I will build an. I just have to come here and build a website. So I click on this. I already logged in, so I just have to sign it out. Give me 1 minute, guys. Those who are created in Lovable, we will also teach you on anti-gravity, and the procedure is little complex. So you have to move to anti-gravity, convert it to an React, and then from there you have to deploy to Hostinger. Now, if you want to directly deploy from Lovable, there are two options. I will also show you that. Okay. Now look at this. There are two ways I can deploy. Okay. Now I just have to come here and then I'm gonna publish this. And then if I buy the pro version in Lovable, I can add it to any custom domain. So you just have to buy a domain. So the upgrade payment options are here like $5 per month. Okay. You get 20 credits. The other one is 50 per month. Okay. Guys, but there are people who sell it for 1,100, 2,000 rupees per month. Okay. So you can host it from here as well. Just connect with your domain. And then for your database, you just have to connect it to your Superbase. That is enough. You don't need to do anything. So if you are, starting to make money and stuffs like that, this is okay. Yeah. But if you want to move to Hostinger, with respect to for initial setup, Hostinger is the cost effective one. People, if your money is not a concern, but I am going to push the product, you can directly use Lovable. Okay. But if you're someone who's tight on budget and you want to use it for longer time, then you can use Hostinger. Clear? Clear with this, guys? Okay. So now, guys, I have tried Bolt. See, it doesn't make a difference, guys. Both are literally the same. Okay. Uh, Bolt new, Bolt.ai, all, ulta pulta only, guys. So for you, what I'll do is, I will also try in Figma. I'll also try in Bolt. Okay. Shall I do that? Shall you try that? We'll try and see. What if something wrong comes, we'll fix it. Yeah. So you guys at least get both. So I'm just gonna, I just logged into it. Okay. So let me check whether I got. So I'm going to go for Figma first. So let it build. And then simultaneously I'll come to Bolt. See, one thing which I felt about Bolt was it was a little slow compared to Figma. So you just have to bear with me with Bolt. Okay. So let me sign in. I'll sign in with Google. I'll create a new account. I will use this one. Continue. Okay. So now what do? I come here. I paste the same tech requirements here. So what do? I came here. I pasted. I inform that Node.js as well. And then I'm just going to click on build now. So simultaneously, what you guys can do is I introduce you to a new tool, right? How many of you remember that? Ideogram. So you can go create a logo for it and all those stuffs. Okay. And then you can put it so that, when you go and sit with that person, right, you have an 100%, authority and, you can easily sell that to people. Yeah, Sandeep, it does. See, it also creates software, apps. Okay, so even see the one thing is if you want to be more on a technical background, get the code, connect it to GitHub, and then you can separately even develop it. Okay, so Figma is very good because it has huge database of uh, UI and UX is much better and it's glowing than any other platform. Okay. So let it build. For which one, Pratik? For Figma and this thing, is it? Guys, see, when you're simply creating websites for like information websites where there is no huge background, normally your free version itself is more than enough. You're gonna use only the hosting a paid ones. Okay, so because if there is any changes, they give you daily credits and you can customize it accordingly. Okay, so far I have not gone to any paid. But the only paid thing which I got is I have gone for a better hosting a provider. I've gone for VPS hosting because we have a lot of apps we have built. So when there's a software app we build, right, it takes a lot of server speed and stuff like that. So we go for VPS. So what I have opted is, I will also share you that. So I have opted for this VPS hosting. Okay. So I have gone for this 2199 plan per month. Okay. So I have bought it for 2 years. So this gives me a bandwidth, even if like lakhs and lakhs of people are connected to it, it works. So I have paid around like 52,000. And then if you use our coupon code AI Gen Next, you get some discount as well. So if you have decided that um, you want to start up a company or you want to build an app where you want to scale up, then you have to go for VPS hosting. So see, I choose for the highest plan. It doesn't mean that you have to go for that plan also. You can even go for 799 per month. Okay. So they give you dedicated servers. Okay. So I went for KVM because I don't want to be in future. I don't want to scale up. At that time, this cost will be higher. So even now, when I bought it, it was around 40,000. Today, it is around like 52,000. Because of AI, now this hardware spacing and everything are becoming like very high. So you just have to plan that. Okay. I have not tried Zoho yet, sir. So we'll see how it goes. I'll let you know if I try it. Okay. So now, so let's see whether Figma has done it. Okay, it's going on. Let's look at Bolt. It is also doing it. Oh my God. Uh, shoot. See, this is the only challenge with Bolt. Okay, so it doesn't gives you enough credits. Okay, don't worry. I have a recording of Bolt. Okay, which you guys can use it. Okay. Let's try Figma. How many of you used Figma before? So Python and API, can you teach like abstract? Okay. So like someone is asking for web scraping, we'll do web scraping. We'll be building some neural networks. And then we have AI agents, LLM, RAGs, building AI agents. I have video creations, image creation, music creations. So it will be like both. Yeah. So we have given access to most of the people in our portal. And then the other good news is we have also made for app for AI Gen Next. So you will get notifications on your app so that you don't need to keep looking at your WhatsApp. You don't need to say, sir, I missed out. I didn't know. All those things will not happen because I want to ensure that if I'm creating something like that, the tech stack also needs to be great. Okay. So that is the reason. So I'll also be giving you access to our app so that you don't miss out on anything. Okay. Okay, so Figma is like very good now. We've been using it. So, Abid, yes. So I started with Lovable, then I moved to anti-gravity to connect the databases and stuff. Okay. So, guys, what I've done is I've asked my team to create an app from Lovable and then move to anti-gravity. Okay. Change the, tech stack and then host it on the VPS server. I asked them to record it so that I can, share it to you guys. So next week or a week after, we will do that, and then we'll play the recording for you guys. And then I will have my developers also with me. And you can ask them questions. Because see what happens, guys, when we deploy, it takes 3-4 hours sometimes. So I have created some. I asked my team to create something so that you guys can easily refer and you can start deploying in anti-gravity also. Make sense, guys? You okay with that? Yeah. So we are gonna do that for you this week, and we are gonna see. I will be coming on live and I'll play that. I don't want to just send a video and watch it and don't know. I don't want to be like I don't care. So we will do that on live session. So my team will be there. We can stop then and there, get your queries solved, so that you guys get a clear idea. Yeah. Okay. So now our only hope is Figma. Yeah, Figma does take time. In the meantime, do you guys want to see the one which I deployed in uh, Bolt? Okay, let's wait for this. Then we'll have it as the climax. Okay, guys. Okay, now when you go to any pitch, especially to the gyms, now they will not easily say okay. Yeah. So now what you need to tell them is like, see, guys, tell them that you are representing an entrepreneur, tech community, helping, local businesses to scale up on internet with AI. So you can, if they ask you for any proof or something, I will give you a letter. I will give you a letter that, let's say, Anup. So I'll say Anup is a part of our tech stack community, helping entrepreneurs to go on online. So you can tell them, sir, the other companies are charging like 25, 30,000. Our intention is to help you to build your tech stack at an affordable cost. So say 15,000 for your website. Enough. But tell them you can give it in two EMIs. So 8,000 rupees first, and then remaining amount after you finish the site. Got it? Guys, when you say EMI, right, our people definitely will go for it. I will give you that. I will back you up. I will give you my team to, if you get stuck somewhere in building something, I will give you my team to, connect and help you out. We will do profit sharing also. How many of you are ready for that? Okay. So if it requires too much of work, I will take your profit. So just kidding. So this, my team is also see my intention also. I want to build a team that will help people. Uh, whatever challenge they face, right? I want them to help those people as well. So we are going to do that. Okay. So you can say that I'm coming from an entrepreneur tech community, helping young entrepreneurs and stuff like that. And then you can say, sir, I noticed that there are a lot of gyms around you and you have very good rating, but your online presence is very, very less. So I have created this website for you. If you want, just have a look at it and we're going to charge you very, very less. And then you also say, I have created something for the other gym also near you. Okay. So definitely, guys, when you say like this, 15,000 rupees. Imagine if you're able to get 5 orders every month. How much that makes you? 75,000? Is it possible or not? What do you think, guys? How many of you say it's possible? How many say it's not possible? Now, let's say you're still shy. You don't want to go. Hire someone for a salary of 20 or 25,000 rupees. Ask him to go every street. Pitch him for a website. See, guys, restaurants are very good one. And then, guys, I will tell you a story. I used to train WordPress for girls, like in 2019 in one of the colleges in Chennai. Okay. So now what happens is these girls, they created a group of six girls. They joined and they created a company. And at that time, uh, these women who were selling on, what is that? These women who were selling on online WhatsApp and stuffs like that, right? That are increasing. So what happened was, these women, they connected them and they said, Akka, we'll do a website for you. And the charge is 25,000 rupees. Okay. When it was 25,000 rupees, they said, you know what? Uh, we will give you discount. We will do it for 20,000 and you can give us in 3 EMIs. The first EMI alone is like 7,000, rest in 2 EMIs. These girls, they did around like 220 websites. Okay, just do the math. 225 into let's say average of 20,000. That's 45 lakh in 6 months. Okay. So guys, it is very, very easy. See, it doesn't matter, if they ask AI, sir, we use tech stack, whatever is suitable for you. And we will give you 1 year warranty. Okay, AI, not AI, it is all depends upon how they like it. That is the only thing. You don't need to worry about what they will ask and stuff like that. Okay, I'll show you the runtime cost. Oh my god, this is also people normal. It doesn't take that much of latest version. Both ran out of this is why I like Lovable than these guys. Okay. So normally you just have to continue tomorrow and then it will give you. Okay, but let me try something else also for you guys. 1 minute. Okay. Trade with some other ID. So I'll go back to ChatGPT. So June 1st. So it has monthly credits. Okay. So let me try this. Should be like just I already did one. That was much bigger website actually. I deployed this last time. Okay. Guys, let me show you how I deployed this last time. Okay. So remember last time when we tried to connect, we got error, right? So if you go to Hostinger, so this is the VJ Trainer one which didn't work last time. So click on dashboard. So I click on just connect with GitHub. Okay. I'll show you the settings and deployment. See, white, node version. The only thing which you have to see is whether the output directory is dist. Okay, dist. That's it. Nothing else. You don't need to make any changes. And then if you just deploy, it will work. Okay. So let me try here. I will create something new. I will see whether I'm able to do this here. Okay. So I know this will happen. That's why I already created a I created a something and I recorded as well for you guys. So guys, let me try this. Okay. Uh, First create a basic version within the daily limits, and then I will customize later one by one. Okay. So better I will go to chat GPT and I will ask him to do it. Limits catered for Figma. It has 150 credits per day. Okay. Guys, you can even try this. Then can we try something in Bolt also with a new one? Guys, I have not tried codex in chat GPT yet. My team does it and Claude. See, those goes very, very complex. Even Claude, like sometimes it develops in some way that to find out what or how it develops, that itself is very, very challenging. See, you need to know how to customize it, certain things, you shouldn't be. Now, imagine you are showing it to a customer and he likes it. And then suddenly, when you change the platform, the design interface, everything will change. The customer will not like it. That is the only challenge in AI. If you maintain a framework and design and team, always go by that. When you change the platforms, it will not look good. And I know that is not good for Google SEOs also. Yeah, you can't keep changing the content again and again. So for you guys as a starter, try Bolt, try Figma, try Lovable. Cursor, see, we will have a workshop on Cursor also. That is like in depth. And then there is Emergent, that is also good. You can even create a desktop and then you can build there. Okay. And then there is Vercel as well. And there is quite a bit now. So we will cover one by one tools, but as a startup, your first target is how do I earn money? How do I make money? So this is for it. So now you can approach restaurants. Guys, restaurant is another big deal. Okay. 15,000 is your target, you know, per, you can even do 5,000. What will be a monthly cost? Your monthly cost will not be even 200 rupees. At the max, if you go for VPS itself, it will be 250 only. Understood? Yeah, possible or not. You can even build websites for your colleagues. Everybody needs a personal branding website now. You can build websites for them, right? You can build websites for like literally anybody, guys. And also, see, whenever you create something, don't wait for it to be very unique or the best. It can be the same thing. Now, for an example, I have created an app for all the fish shops in Madurai. So, because the biggest challenge was, what happened was, the biggest challenge was for them to, the fish rate changes. They want, when they go on Sunday morning, it is heavily crowded. So I gave them an app where they actually, list the fish, they change the rate, and then the customers can order it. They can make the payment. By the time they go there, the fish is ready. Okay. I created this, and so far we have around like 102 fish shops in Madurai. Okay, we are in testing phase, and I'm charging 1,000 rupees per month. So my 1 lakh is guaranteed there. Yeah. And then I saw an RO water guy who comes to my house. I know he has an yellow color card. He writes it when is the customer's next due. So he looks at the card and then he comes. And then whenever he comes, he charges 300 rupees for service, filter, and everything. I asked that person, "Do you have an app for this?" They said only company has this app. So what I did, I created an app for plumbers, electricians, RO, CCTV guys, beauty parlors. So now they can have the customers, they can have the due dates, they can book, customer can book them, check their availability, and I am charging them 350 rupees per month. Okay. So my right now we have around like 40 to 50 people. Even if I get around like 100, 200 people, that's still a decent money every month, right? So always, guys, think, don't keep waiting for the, for that, what do you say, that precious diamond. Okay, pick up the stones only, guys. Slow, just build something so that you don't feel it can be the same thing, but it has to cater to the people. Do it for people around you. It depends on anyone, even for a pani puri guy. If you convince them, yeah, how many of it will make sense? If it makes sense, just like MS in the chat box. Because I see a lot of people wasting time on like, "Oh, I need to come up with a unique concept here." That day will never come. Okay. So just go with what you have in your hand. Yeah. So now what did I do? I came to Chat GPT. I asked for the basic version so that it does it. So I come here, I copy paste, I go to Figma, and then I paste it. Okay. And then I'll go for default because I don't want to use too much of credits. I use this. Okay. So now what I do, I go back to bold and I'll see whether I can create another account for you guys. Get free tokens. Let me refer people. Okay. So let me try another account. Time with Google. What try is. Guys, you don't need to worry. Don't feel like oh my God, what is my credits are getting exhausted? Don't worry about it because you're not going to do it just in one day. Okay. Uh, All right, go. This. So let's wait and see how it goes. So any questions, guys? Guys, without Pro version, you cannot deploy it on Lovable. You have to move to other platform. Okay. 1 minute. Is it better now? Guys, I'll tell you one more final nail in the coffin to convince a gym guy. Ask the gym guy or the gym owner, what is the biggest challenge? What do you think is the biggest challenge for a gym owner? Come on, let's see the chat. Yes, Sujata, however you are comfortable now, you can do it. There is no, there is no set formula like this. Just the concepts are same. Okay, Srinivas is people living. Okay. What else? Time. Someone said time, money and time. Regular attendance. Okay. Let's say regular attendance also there. What else? Getting new member and time slot. Okay, that is also okay. Let's say they get it. What is the main problem? What is the main problem? Come on. You guys are going to gym? Definitely not, right? Maintenance, computing with bigger things, timing, machine availability, payment subscription. Subramanian Ayappan sir. Awesome. That is the main thing, guys. Getting the money from the customers every month is the biggest challenge. How many of you agree to me? So now you tell them, sir, I will set up something for you where the money will come automatically to you every month. Okay, you can help him set up a Razor Pay and you can just create an subscription model for him. His job is done. Now tell me, you will get the contract or not. What is your percentage then? Now, see the problem now. I'll tell you with Indians. When you go and tell them, sir, I will do it, they always say, okay, pa, the biggest challenge is to get the content from them. If you're creating a website, by the time you create the content, they will be exhausted. Okay, but if you if you show them something, what will happen? That they will remember this for a long time. Even though when they want to do the website, they will remember only you. Yes or no? How many of you agree to me? So now you have a lot of chances of getting the order. So you're not bought anything. You just used AI and you are built it. If he brings the money, you post it. And when you say EMA also, something is not full money. You don't need to give the control to him. Okay, so you still have the control. Your monthly expense is only around like 200 rupees. Okay, not that's it. Okay. Uh, Guys, don't worry about the security now because when you collaborate with these systems, security is already good. Okay. For example, Lovable, you can always run a security check whenever you want. And when we connect through anti-gravity, also security checks are there. Okay. Until unless someone targets you and attacks you, that is only there the big problem. Okay. So apart from that, it's like you don't need to worry. So for last 4, 5, 6 months, we have built a lot of apps. We have not faced any issue. Whenever there's an issue, the Lovable itself will tell you that there's a problem. Okay. So that is the only thing. Don't worry about it. So when you do the subscription model, it's very, very easy. If you want to set up a Razor Pay account, I will have another session on that. How to activate Razor Pay, how to create a link, how to do the subscription model. I will tell you everything. Don't worry about it. Okay. First, build a product, then we'll go for the next one. Okay. Okay. So we have created a website, guys. Look here. Are you seeing this? Yeah. Okay. So now we'll try to deploy this. Okay. So as usual, we'll go to GitHub. So I pick this. I'm going to create a repository. I click on create. Okay. So I'll go to push to GitHub. And then I'm opening this. Okay, it's here. I come here. I copy this. Now I go to posting it. Simple, guys. What did I do? I'll repeat again. I clicked on the settings tab. This is not increasing, man. Bit size. Okay. I went to the GitHub. I connected to the GitHub. I pushed it to the GitHub. I opened the GitHub account and I copied the link. Okay. Then I come to my hosting a service provider. I go to home. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll create a website. Okay. So let me delete some of the website which I built. So this is the one which I created for testing. I'll delete this as well. Okay. So this is the previous one, the VJ, the trainer one, which I created. Okay. So now I'm going to create something similar to this. So now what I do, I come to hosting I click on add website. I choose node.js.web app. Right now, I have not bought any domain. So I'm going to use a temporary domain. So similarly, you can create temporary domain and you can share it to your client, to the gym owner. And then what I do, I click on continue with GitHub. I don't make any changes. Everything remains the same. And then I'm going to click on deploy. Let's wait for it to deploy. Clear, guys? Unable to see, is it? Guys, do you see this? Okay, good. Okay, what did I do in GitHub? Let me show you. I went to GitHub. Okay, I clicked on the code and then I copied the path. Okay, so you don't even need to do that because here when you connect to GitHub, right, automatically it will show you that repository. You can connect it directly. Yeah, clear. So let it build. Guys, don't worry about security. Don't worry about the database. Everything will be taken care automatically. If nothing works, you can ask Cody or you can get, if AI is replying, if you're fed up of Cody, you can say, I want to close the account. Can I speak to an agent? Or else you can say, I want to speak to an agent once. I want to speak to an agent twice. Third time, the AI will transfer you to an agent. So that person will take care and help you to set up everything. So don't worry about the problem which did not happen. Our people now, like they want everything ready before they go for a war. Okay. So sometimes you just have to create your own weapons. So don't worry about it. Just go. Trust me. I'm there, guys. If you if you get stranded somewhere in building it, I'm there to help you. So just go for it. Okay. So it's taking some time. In the meantime, let's go to. Okay, it's done. Let's check. Yes. So, so guys, all set now. Okay, now only thing is the design part is missing. Now the next version of Figma, now whatever changes I make here, right, that will automatically happen on the website. Cool. You don't need to, it will automatically will take care. Don't worry. You can just, fix it in the Figma itself. Yeah. Cool. So let me share it directly to the, okay. Guys, now what I'll do is, okay, look at this. Okay. Guys, you don't need to worry about anything. Again, I'm telling you, you don't need to worry about anything. Everything will be taken. See, auto deployment is on. So now if I come here, Okay. Now enhance the site with trendy designs. Mm, so check my AI credit balance today. I don't think so. It will be enough, but let me try. Okay. In a site with trendy designs, and then I click on. So now when you publish this, automatically the site will change. Understood, guys? Okay. So now shall I move to the bolt? Yeah. Yes, you can use, guys, right now. Uh, when we are making these changes, do we need to keep source code copy? GitHub will take care of it, sir. So whenever, okay, good question, Anu. Okay, guys, let me share you this. Okay, I'll just go through your questions 1 minute. Good question on Sujata. Jyoti, how to show our website in Facebook? Okay, I'll show it to you. Wait. When we sell a view on the domain, okay, so we can use any of the both lovable and okay, yeah, okay, okay. I'll tell you how you can keep a source code copy. Simple. First, go to GitHub, code, just download the zip. Always the first version which you download, right? Save it. If something happens, you can start from the scratch. You can upload this back into GitHub or you can upload it on your site and develop also. Got it? So that answers Anup's question. Okay. Now, then someone asked me, okay, next. Where can I see the recordings for? So, guys, currently I'm uploading on the YouTube, so you can watch there. Okay. Yeah. Oh, we are sending to GitHub. Yes. See, right now, what I'm doing is I'm customizing in Figma and then we are pushing it to GitHub. Okay. Guys, right now, what I have used is, okay. Now, guys, I have used a temporary platform right now. Okay. When you buy the domain name, you can connect it to your domain. Your domain will show up here. Okay. Now let's say you click on connect domain. Okay. Click and then change. It will ask you for the domain which you bought. And then click it and it will get connected. Understood? So why are we using a temporary domain? You don't know whether that person will first buy your website or not. Yes or no? Yeah. For them, we cannot buy it. Once he says okay, then you can buy a domain powerfitness.com or .in and then you can create it. Clear? Understood, guys? So when you sell it, guys, you can buy the domain in the customer's name, his email ID, everything. Okay. But have the password with you. Only when you get all the money, you can give it to him. Yeah. Because sometimes you know about Indian, right? People, right? Okay, so yes, you can even do full-fledged e-commerce, but you need to work a lot on databases. For that, I recommend anti-gravity at the moment. So, like until 3,000, 5,000 products, you can use it. Okay, sending invoice. Yes, you can connect WhatsApp API also to this. Arhan. Okay, this is best way without disturbance to existing design. Now you but suppose we want to fix or modify something on it, what the best way without disturbing to existing? Anti-gravity is the best, sir. Okay. See, that's why you don't use this for high end where you're charging like 3 lakh, 5 lakh. Don't use this. Anything lesser than 1 lakh, you can use this. Clear? Yeah, because Node.js, see, I have tried a lot of hosting platform guys. They suck. Or else they are very costly. You will not get support properly. I am using Hostinger and I have not got any problems so far. So that is why I'm building everything on Hostinger. Okay. And you just saw that, right? 2 or 3 clicks, it's done. Okay. Now, let me tell you how you can buy this domain, hosting, what will be the cost and stuffs like that. Okay. I'll share it to you. Give me 1 minute. Okay. You're watching this, right? Now, just go to Hostinger. Click on web hosting. Click on the pricing. Guys, you will choose the 249 plan. Okay. What is it? 249 plan. Click this. I will share the link also for you. Don't worry. Okay. Now go for the 48 months. Okay. Go for the 48 months. Now, when you go for 48 months, this is for how many websites? If you look at, you can host up to 50 websites. In that, 5 Node.js websites you can do, 45 like other HTML, CSS, vibe coding also. There's another vibe coding which Hostinger has, and then WordPress also. I will also be teaching you things on WordPress. Don't worry. Okay. So you can host around like 50 websites if you choose this plan. So if you click on this, if you go for 48, that's around like 11,952. That is for how many months? 48 months. For how many websites? 50. So if I divide 11,952, okay, let me share my calculator to you. Okay, you're watching this? So it's 11,952, right? So this is for how many? 50 websites, correct? How much? 239 rupees for 48 months. Yes or no, guys? Am I calculating it correct? Yeah. So now divide this to 12. So per website, you will be paying very, very, very less when you buy it on a bulk, or else. So let's say this is 239 for 50 websites for 4 years. So if you divide it by 4, that's around like 59 rupees for a website. How much are you charging the customer? 50,000, 15,000 rupees, 10,000. Even though you give 5,000 rupees, you have a profit. Yes or no? This is how people make money, and this is how they're actually making it. Clear, guys? You with me? Yeah. So now I will give you a coupon code. Guys, see, do it as a team, do it with your family, with someone who can share the money with you. Okay. There's a code also, AI Gen Next. You use this, you get some discount also. So, what happened? I'm getting it. So, let's try AI Gen Next 10. I'll share you a link. Oh, okay. See, guys, the reason why I'm not getting the discount is I'm logged into my same email ID. So that's why I'm not getting this code. Okay. I will share you the coupon code as well. Yeah. So, guys, this is serious money. You can literally make a lot of money with this. You can even hire someone. If you don't want to hire an experienced person, Go to any college, hire an MBA graduate as an intern, pick up 5 students, uh, pay them 5,000, 6,000 as a monthly, uh, what is that, intern stipend, and then ask them to go and work for you. Ask them to get the orders. They will do it. Okay. So if you already have any other platforms, you can connect it. Not a problem at all. See, for Android and iOS, I used Lovable. From Lovable, I moved it to Anti-Gravity. I connected to the databases and then I deployed it. Yeah? Clear? Understood, guys? Any questions? Okay. So, I've taught you deployment as well. Trust me, guys. Nobody does it. Nobody will without, stealing an FT amount with you. Okay. So, guys, I will plan that anti-gravity because doing it in live is a bit challenging. So, I asked my team to develop an app, do it in anti-gravity, record the process, and then we'll do it. We'll share that on live and we'll share it to you. Clear, guys? You okay with that? Yeah, I'll plan that. Okay. So, an AI Gen Next website is almost it's ready. AI Gen Next is not working, is it? Which one is not working? Guys, kindly wait for the AI Gen Next. See, from tomorrow, we will be calling individually to every people who have added there because there are people who have like joined just randomly and then we're just going to call individually. There's no other way. Okay. Domain from, is it Hostinger? Yes, Abid, from Hostinger. Okay, guys, let me to buy Hostinger and domain. Sorry, buy domain hosting. I'll show you the entire process now. Okay, Abid, will that help you? Now, let me go for a new incognito mode. I'll share it here. See, Hyox, if you go for an WordPress, I recommend Hyox. For Node.js, I suggest you Hostinger. Hyox will be costly. Okay, Hostinger provides you a bigger platform. Okay, now, guys, listen, look at this. I'm going to share the screen now. Watch carefully on the process of buying a domain and hosting. I'm going to go to a new incognito mode, paste the link which I sent. Now, all you got to do is click on pricing. And then if you want to go 12 months, 24 months, it's up to you. If you go for the premium, you cannot connect Node.js websites. Okay. It is available only in the business plan. Okay. So you can use this. It also gives you emails. Okay. So click on choose. Are you guys watching this? Are you able to see the screen? Okay. I'm back. Okay. Now good. Okay. So now there is the incognito mode. Okay. Here. So if you want to go for 12 months, you can use 12 months. If you want to go for 48 months, you can go for 48 months. Okay. Have a coupon code. Now enter our coupon code AI Gen Next. Click on apply. So you get some discount. Okay. Then click on continue. See, guys, the one thing is you also get a free domain here. Okay. Plus 2 extra months of free hosting with this order. So you don't need to purchase anything separately here. Okay. For example, if you want a domain, let's say I have like www. A bit, right? India.com. I can search here. Say it is available. See, the cost is showing 0. So just type add this. You can get it. It will ask you for to make, but you can just skip this. Just add it for 1 year, and then you can get it for free. And then click continue, make the payment. That's all. Over. It will ask you for your proof and all those stuffs. Just give it those. Okay. Now it's a rule. You cannot have more without. You cannot have an hosting a domain without an ID proof verification. Okay. If you have GST, you can claim 2,000 from your GST as well. So this is how you buy the hosting and domain. Now let's say you bought the hosting and then you want to buy the domain later. Just come inside. Okay, you go to my account and then click on domains, get a new domain. That's it. You can search, it will give you for free. Clear, guys? Everybody understood how to buy? Yeah? Okay, good. So, sir, I'm a little bit confused. Website and a landing page can I see? Website is for your business. Okay. Um, similar to Flipkart, Amazon, AIGENXT.com, these are all websites. Wherever you use it for official purposes. Landing page, you build it for uh, promoting a product. Let's say for AI Gen Next course or my summer camp or to sell an hair oil, wherever you're going to use a page for your ad. That is where people click the ad and they land on a page to find the information of that product. To give you a very good example, let me show you this. So this is jv.athra.org. So we did a summer camp here in Madurai for kids. It was a huge hit. Okay. So what did I do? I ran an ad. When people saw the ad, they came here and then we did this for a school. Okay. So this is this is not my website. This page is created only for this event. So the customer can come here, see what it is, and they can buy. Clear? Understood, guys? Yeah. Website is normally an official one. Okay. And yes, guys, only one domain is free, not for all the 50 domains. Okay. For the remaining ones, you have to buy, you can charge the customer. Guys, for domain hosting and purchasing is domain and the domain hosting itself, you can charge 3,000 rupees to the customer. I'm giving you very less. But people there, they give you 5,000, 10,000 just for hosting and the domain name. And you can maintain this everywhere. Okay. See, you can use subdomains, but it has to be in that particular brand. Guys, don't worry about buying the domains. You will buy the domain only when they make the payment, right? Until then, use that temporary ones and then create it, show it to them. Once they make the payment, you can do it. Okay. Landing page, similar, sir. Nothing different, sir. Same one, but I will use a subdomain. Okay. For example, my website is athra.org. I will create subdomains. If you want to know how to create subdomains, just that if you go to your hostinger, you will have subdomains, sir. So you have domains. You can create subdomains there as well. I'll show you. See, one customer, I did a website for her. She did not make the payment. Uh, okay, no, I don't want to talk about it. So they didn't renew. Okay, so it got expired. So I don't renew it. If the customer did not, you know, uh, renew, if they don't make the payment, then we don't make the payment as well. The thing is, I would have made the payment, but they did not respond at all. So Okay. No, Satya, there's no any temporary, any no time limitations. You can use it. Okay. Mm, okay, guys. I'll be uploading this video in YouTube and I'll be sharing it to you guys. Okay. So, guys, now what I'm going to do for you is I recorded something from Bolt, deployment from the Bolt. Okay. So, can I show it to you? You want to watch that as well so that you guys get to know both the deployments. Yeah, I'll play that. Yeah. 1 minute. Guys, 1 minute. Let me close all the pages which are not useful. So, guys, similar to how we did for gym, you can do it for restaurants, any consultancy services near you. Hospitals is a very good market right now. Check whether they have a website or not, or create for them. Okay. So let me share the video for you. Give me 1 minute. Guys, use the system to join the meetings. So I'll come to the screen, sir. Srinivas, you can, it's up to you, sir. Okay, you can charge the same amount every year. So, guys, you can also charge a maintenance fee of 5,000 or AMC of 5,000. Okay. So, let me play the video. So, watch this and then you guys can get back to me. Okay. So, I created this in the Bolt. Okay. My website, the VJ, the trainer dot website. So, it gave me enough credits. Okay. So, and then what did I do? It asked me to connect to GitHub. Okay. So, all you got to do is you have to link it to your GitHub. Okay. So, now you just have to click on configure the GitHub app. Click this. So, it will take you to your GitHub. Enter your username and password. So, I have my two-factor authentication activated. So, you can also do that. Please do it. So, you enter the details. Install and authorize. That's it. So, it will take you back to your Bolt. And then click the site which you created. Go to GitHub. And then you can name your repository. So you have to just name your repository. I thought that I didn't configure it properly first. Then click on and then name it. How many of you need a session on complete GitHub and then I go to my hostinger website, all websites. I click on add website, then I choose Node.js. I already had everything filled there. So I'm going to delete some of the ones which I created. So last full week, I was just testing one after the other. So guys, these AI coding apps, right? They are actually improving a lot. Okay, so soon Hostinger will be able to match them. Uh, let's see. So now come up, click on add website. Yeah, I will come to Sanjay. Then click on continue with GitHub. I tried Versal as well. That also worked. Versal app. Okay. You can even try that. I'll share you the link. Simple install and authorize. Nothing. You don't need to change anything. Click on deploy. So that's it. It's deployed. Cool. So I did a backup because I know that whenever we do a live session, something like this will happen. Something like this will happen, right? So, uh, so we will do a pure GitHub session. I'll get a big, I'll get a very good expert who can completely do an A to Z of all the potential of GitHub. Okay. Yes, Replit is also good. Okay, guys. See, Cursor is also good. Emojon is also good. My preference is Lovable. Okay, and then right now I am using Figma and Bolt also. It is your comfort, guys. Yeah. See, we are trying too many tools because you don't know where to host. But when you know your destination, you will finalize on the tool. Okay. In the last 1 2 weeks, I literally have tried everything. Okay. Um, the high end was Lovable. Next is this Figma, and then Bolt, which is user friendly, and there is Vivo, which is Versal, that is also user friendly. Deployment and stuffs like that. Cursor, Replit, these tech stacks are like high. So deploying them in VPS servers is very easy, but even Claude, deploying them in VPS servers is like easy, but deploying in these hostinger basic versions, it is not that feasible. Okay, so you also need to see that. You need to see who's your customer, right? If you're building a big app and stuff like that, then you can go for VPS or else the one which I showed you. Okay, yeah. So guys, I also told you how to go and get your customers. So try getting your customers. It can be a hotel, restaurant, uh, and gyms, anything near your house. Okay. And the next thing is try creating simple solutions. How you can actually, solve, your local retail problems and turn them into a subscription model. Yeah. So next. we'll plan on an Android or an app creation using anti-gravity. So this week, I'll ask my team to create an app, deploy it, and then to show you. Yeah, clear? Guys, you have to buy these things. Only then you will know actual problems. Where do you face it and how do you fix it? That will actually, uh, help you to know where you actually, scale up. Okay. So web scraping, Python with API, these things will come up, Chetan. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah, yeah, it is easy. We are testing that also, Srinivas. In our AI Gen X itself, we are testing it out. Don't worry. Okay. Okay, guys. And one more thing is, we are conducting an summer camp or AI Kids camp from 25th. We have a morning batch and evening batch. It's an online session. So now kids are creating wonderful things, guys. Like they are creating websites. Now imagine your kids get to know this early. Okay, so we have kids from sixth standard, seventh, who are actually building apps, websites, images, videos in a structured way. So if you have a kid or if you know someone who your relative or someone, you can refer them. We have charge. See, the market cost is around 15,000, 40, 50. Thousand they're charging. We have planned to charge 2,500 for our community members. So if you want your kids to be a part of it, we have sent an email today to everybody. So fill it up and we will do the session for them. Because see, the curriculum, let's say the school education system is like traveling in a bullock cart and the world is going on a jet. So, and you know that knowledge has got nothing to do with the skill, and knowledge has nothing to do with what they will be in next 3 4. So they don't need to finish 10 11 12 college and then they need to think about what to do. So the world is going to be like, learn something, create something, make money, what next? That's how it's going to be. It's going to be like skill based. They are not going to work in a company for 5 10 years once they come out. So this is going to be a 7-day program starting on 25th and it goes on for the 7 days. Okay. So the link, I'll also share you in the WhatsApp group and stuff. You will receive the mail today. I'll also share it in our group. And for our people, we are charging around 2,500 rupees. That's it for the entire 7 day. Okay. So I sent a mail with what are the things which we are covering for them. And we are going to take care of the kids, like from the childhood. We will focus on block-based coding. We'll slowly, by end of the 12th grade, they will know what to do in their, career. So currently we are planning for weekday and there is also a weekend batch as well. And we will let you know them. So kids from class 6, okay, that is 5th and above. Yeah, this will be virtual. Yeah. Yes, guys, if someone joins through you, I will give them a discount. Okay, that I will do. Yeah. I think it is very important to teach kids these days, Otherwise, by the time they finish the 12th and come back now, they will question you. Day appa, what did you teach me now? No, these things are outdated, man. What will I do? Yeah. So I think we have to let kids know what's happening with the world. Okay. I think the biggest challenge is for trainers. Yeah. And see, these certain AIs are helping them to learn much better. So kinesthetic, getting like kinesthetic experience, visual experience, it's all good. Now, one thing when I was talking to the parents, right, they tell me like, my child knows everything. He knows that, he knows that. See, the kids know that, but they don't know in a structured way. They learn bits and pieces and they do it. Okay, that's like completely half baked, and that's where they try to use AI for they might misuse AI in that. So normally we enhance the kids saying that AI is not the end solution. AI is the first part where you go to, but the solution should be yours. Okay, and you need to tell what AI should do. You should not listen to AI. So these things needs to be trained early, or else they'll become very lazy and complacent. So you need to go in a structured way, especially with the kids. So we have a complete curriculum we designed with it. We work with the school now, and we're having a hackathon for those kids as well. Okay, and trust me, the conference will be more than you learning. Your kids will learn faster. They will teach you, Appa, this is easy, pa. You can do like this. So by doing this, and trust me, guys, I was literally shocked. by the games they created. Shall I show you something like what they created from a batch one and batch two? Did I show you? How many of you want to see it? Let me show you. Uh, so this is from batch one, the feedback and stuff. So we are doing it offline here. So this website was created by one of the student. Okay, let me share the screen for you. So this student's name is Harshit. So he has won competitions, AI Rahman audition winner, first place. This is his complete design concept. He is an international Silamum gold medalist. Uh, and then sports which he plays is curious. So we taught him vibe coding, robotics. So he has added that. He wrote two songs, composed it. These are the images they create. So these are the games which they created during the summer camp. So look at the timeline. We just gave him the idea, but the concept, everything was his. So he has a timeline of what has achieved. Okay, school which he goes to. How cool is this? I have not seen in a corporate guy design a website like that as well. Okay, so and then mm, let me show you. So this is one of the mystery games which was created by a girl. Let me show you. We teach them lovable. Okay. Okay, look at this. This is an interesting game. Mm. So this is called as Shadow Blade. This was done by a sixth grader. I was literally shocked, the kind of creativity they have in their head, right? And they're able to put this across. That's like, guys, this is like now it's ready to deploy. You deploy it. If he gets 1 lakh registration, his life is settled. Do you think it's not possible? Yeah. Now let me share you one game which I am addicted to. Okay. Now let's see. Mm, this game. Uh, these two games I'm literally addicted to. I'm sharing the screen for you. So this is yeah. uh, the name of the game is Facility. How is this, guys? Mind blowing, right? You have to pick the key, come back. During my childhood, I used to go to these browsing centers to play similar kind of game, and we used to pay like 100, 200 rupees. And imagine the kids are creating this. How is this? Yeah, they showed the map. She showed the map as well. The, that's not our idea. That's hers. We don't do anything. We just told her this is a platform. You can create games like this. Okay. And then they wrote comic books. I'll share you. I'll share you know groups also. If you look at I'm scrolling the chat bots here. You can see this. See, they wrote comic books. They can just integrate this to Amazon Kindle, and they can start making money. Okay, so we teach these to kids. Okay, now imagine you teach this to a sixth grader. What are the things they can do? Yeah. So it's like amazing, guy. They're doing great stuff. Uh, there is one more game I really liked it. I wanted to show it to you. Addictive one. That's by Siddharth. They wrote mystery stories. There's another haunting game, cricket game, the kitchen war, shadow temple. Shiona. Okay, look at this. I'm sure you will be addicted to this. How many of you here want to play this game? So we are helping this kid to publish his game now. We're converting this to an Android, game, and we're going to see whether how we can make this commercial and make money out of it. See, even if we get like 2 lakh, 3 lakh subscribers, or sorry, like downloads, don't you think we can make money out of this? What do you think? See, so there is a formula for it. It is not just simply you put a prompt, you get it. So we have a manual and we follow that. Okay, to ensure that they go structure, these kids can go for competitions. They'll get evaluated based on the documentation which they do. So they document and then they create these games. How many of you want to play this? Yeah, I'll give you the link. You can play this. I'm definitely you guys will be addicted. Yeah, so you don't know what these guys will, can create. Okay, so it's up to them. Just the power of making their ideas to come to reality, right? That's awesome. Okay. So, guys, we have 2 batches. One is morning 10 o'clock batch and the evening 4 o'clock batch. So, you can decide. I will share the details here. Probably you can share it to your friends or anyone who will find it useful. So, uh, there's a Google form. Okay, I'm sharing it. So, you can share this to your people and I'll also share the game link there. Don't worry. Okay. So, share this and also share it on a WhatsApp group. Yeah. Okay. So, guys, how was the day today? Did you enjoy? Did you like it? How was the session today? Yeah. So, you are ready to deploy now. You're ready to start making money. I don't need any reasons. Yeah. So, just create, deploy, and cater to your people and make money, guys. And I'm there to help you out. Don't worry. If you get stuck somewhere, if required, I'll ask my team to connect with you, get the error sorted out. So, don't worry. I'm just there for you guys. Okay. So, thank you. All the best. And I will see you next week then. We'll get something more interesting coming up. So, guys, keep sharing your feedbacks in our social media and stuff. And next Friday, definitely the sites are ready. So, next Friday, I'll be having the meeting to add more people to the webinar, to our community. So, it's like 1,500 per month. That's it. You can refer to people so that they can learn a lot of stuff. Okay. Yeah, I'll do that, Anup sir. So thank you guys. I'll see you next week then. Bye. I'll upload the recording in YouTube and I'll share it to you.